Welcome, guys, to the daily analysis for March 2nd. So, unless you have been living under a rock, you guys all know about the geopolitical tension that went on in the Middle East over the weekend. Now, based on the situation, it seems like the progress is being made quick by the American forces, but it's a dynamic situation. We don't know the exact details, and all we can do is look at the price action and see how the market responds to it. None of us are geopolitical experts, or maybe some of you guys are. I don't know. I don't have much of an opinion on what the hell is going on there. Prices guide my decision making. So we already discussed in the weekly watch list on the larger time frames the importance of this level from 594 to 618, this entire range where we have spent most of February. What we are going to discuss today is going to be on the smaller time frames. Now, in terms of context, we do have a news event at 10 a.m. Eastern Time, but given the overall chaos going on in the markets, I'm not sure the impact of it is going to be the main focus of today. For today, what we are focusing on is the initial reaction about of the events of this weekend. And even though the initial reaction doesn't seem like much, like QQQ and SPY dropped lower on the Greenland situation, we have to remember that the markets are illiquid or less liquid in the Sunday overnight session. And the clear situation is going to develop as we open up on Monday morning and the participants vote with their money on what they think how the situation will develop. So I hope that's clear. Let's look at the levels real quick. So on Friday, we were in this consolidation range, all right, from the 602 area all the way till 608. At that on that day, I had mentioned how our neutral range was from the 610 area to around 604, and majority of the day was spent in that neutral range. What about today? Today we are obviously gapping down right around that important level of 600. All right, so that's your major level of today. Below 600, you're bearish to 597 and 594. I don't have to say again how important that 594 level is, but below 600, you're bearish for that. What about above 600? Above 600, I would not be at least bearish. I would say we are neutral until the 604. If we can get above 604, then you can look for a move up. I don't think the move up will be an easier one today. Personally, I would say the neutral range, I would ideally extend it all the way from at least 606 area till 600. So your neutral range is from around 606 area from here until 600. Below 600, you're bearish to 597 and 594. Above 606, you can be bullish for a move up to around 610. And then above 610, it's clear skies to 613 and higher. So those will be your levels to the upside. What about SPY?